everybody, just thought I'd show you this. I was asked to do this very quickly, so I started this yesterday. Never done one of these before. But it's a little cheese knife, as you can see. So it's looking quite good. I'm quite pleased with that so far. So that's going to have Zebrano wood with red liners. I think that's going to look really nice. And I thought we'd keep it nice and simple with this one with stainless steel pins. So yeah, let's get this all stuck together and get it finished off. Lovely. Well, there you go everyone. That's the cheese knife finished. Like I said, this was a rush job. 2 days to get this done. Never made one before, so quite pleased with it. It's got red liners, you can see. That's Zebrano wood, stainless steel pins. The Scandi grind on that, but you know, just put a secondary bevel on, very small, just done it like that. But yeah, true oil was still a bit tacky, it's still brushed. But there you go. Very pleased with it.